Tboss, and today we are here at Old Trace Outdoors. Check out the cool logo, which is also in association with Andy Service Center. So today they wanted me to make a video showing everything they have to offer and give y'all some really cool news. So with Christmas being right around the corner, not only have they got a lot of these machines and products discounted, but if you use the promo code DSO4OTO, then you'll also receive an additional 5% off everything. So let's take a look and see what all they have. You want a really cool golf cart from Massimo that make you stand out from the crowd? You can get it right here, Old Trace Outdoors. Or if you want a nice bad boy zero-turn mower, or if you want a clean looking Massimo Warrior 1000, he does have everything discounted off already. I'm not 100% sure of the pricing on them, but I know they have already been discounted. Have shooting houses too. And maybe you're the person that might feel a lot better buying from somebody who can work on your machines or equipment. Andy Service Center can do just that. And these are actually new too. Really cool. You know anybody that might need some of these? He's got them. He has got them. Man, this is sharp. He got any kind of attachments you would need for a tractor. I'm telling you, he has got them. And something else really cool that I want to point out is come summertime, he will be selling fishing boats as well as pontoon boats. Trailers as well. And he can order any size trailer you want. It doesn't have to be just these trailers. Any trailer you want, he can order the size. Speaking of tractors, look at these good looking tractors right here. Yes, sir. You can find these bad boys, Old Trace Outdoors. Or maybe you're the kind that wants a tractor that's fully enclosed with heating and air. He's got that too. Or if you want to go work front and rear end, he's got it. I've actually got some work around the yard I could use this for. If you need a crew cab, like this Massimo MSU 850, help you do some work around the house, on the farm, or just go out and play a little bit. On top of the discount he's already got, you can use DSO4OTO promo code, get an additional 5% discount. Or maybe you want the very nice hot seller Massimo Tboss 550. He's got plenty of them, and he has to order. He is continuously ordering more and more of these machines. They got them in different colors. I love that red. Got in a beautiful forest green as well, the 760. So maybe you don't want a solid color. Maybe you want camo. He's got camo too. Got the beautiful two-tone white and red. Or you might be the person that don't want a zero turn. He has Cub Cadets as well. Regular riding mowers. Zero turns. Or zero turn with a steering wheel. Also another popular unit, Massimo buck. The farmers around here love these machines. He still has the Warrior crew cab. Anybody might be interested. Remember, use that promo code. Come to Old Trace Outdoors. Maybe you don't want the Massimo Warrior. That's fine. You got the Bad Boy Bandit as well. Very nice, clean machines. So maybe you want to try and do a package deal with this discount. He can do package deals as well. Already discounted. Use the promo code, get you an additional 5% discount. Because who don't like discounts? He can do a package deal. So come check out Old Trace Outdoors here at Andy's Service Center in Houston, Mississippi. You most definitely like what you see.